I am prepping the water for my cranberry couscous. So in this recipe, I have the kids first they put the couscous into the pot and then they fill up the container with water to add to the pot. So anytime I have kids adding water, I like to practice measuring. But having your child measure on their own can be a little dangerous because they can mismeasure and then we end up with too much water or too little water. So what I've done is I've measured it first. So I have it in my measuring cup and I'm going to pour that into this container right here. And then I come here with my Sharpie. And if you draw on plastic with a Sharpie, it's okay. You can actually wash that off. So I'm just going to mark on the container exactly how much I want the kid to pour in. I've marked it for them, and now I'm going to actually take this water and pour it back into my measuring cup. So I know that when I start my recipe, I have exactly the right amount of water, and I also have this mark where the kids can practice their pouring, but because I've already measured out the water, there's no way for them to get it wrong. So this is just a practice of taking from the measuring cup, pouring it in, and quote-unquote measuring it using this line. Now I'm just going to put my couscous into this container to have that set up. That was a little messy. So that's 1 cup of couscous, and it's 1.25 cups of water. And so now when I'm prepping, or when I'm all ready to run through the recipe, which I'm going to do in just a minute, I'm going to have this couscous container that also has this watermark line on it, plus my measuring cup with the water inside of it.